Hi, today is Sunday the 26th of April, and this is my sixth video on how to code with Python. The resources I've used to learn how to code have been the same as always. Codecademy, the one I've used the most. There's also the site reply.t, but that one I've stopped using right now because I want to focus mostly on doing the coding on Codecademy so I can better understand it. But otherwise, there's not no other resource that I've used constantly. So the project right now are more of frustration than before since I've got stuck in a couple of lessons, but otherwise they've been pretty much of excitement since I want to see how far I can get and how much I can learn how to code so I can actually do some code and it will actually help me later in life. But otherwise, my emotions are pretty much constant, pretty much of excitement. Also, that frustration that I mentioned, but otherwise, nothing else has changed. Major complications I've had right now is basically trying to solve this last lesson of this section, which is kind of hard for me to do because some of the instructions are not very clear. So that's about what I'm stuck right now. But I still think I've progressed, but otherwise that's all I have on complications. Of the progress I've made are these two lessons I'm about to show you. The first one is this one that's basically you have a list which is animals and it has items in it. Each one is a string. Then what you're gonna do is find out which index the index are from 0 to whatever. So this one will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you find the index of duck, which is this item, and it will give you the index. And you print that index if you want to. And then you can insert an item into the index. This will be Cobra, which is what we want to insert. And what it will give you is this. It will change. This one's the index number. It will change the order so the Cobra is where duck was supposed to be. And the other demonstration I have is this one, which is the one I'm stuck right now in, which is basically you're trying to make you have a list right here which is unorganized and you're trying to organize it, but the thing is with my code right now, what it does is it keeps on loading because it's basically in an infinite loop, and that's about it.